Hello everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data, and this is my website where I talk about both Tableau, Power BI, many more tools in the future. If my videos are making sense to you, this is the time to subscribe to this channel because Jasoya wo khoya. Also under the blog section, I have a special category Tableau versus Power BI. So if you are working in a project where you want to convert from Tableau to Power BI or vice versa, this is the place to check. So data dancers. Let's start with the question. The question is pretty simple, but it can be confusing at time. Now you can see in front of you that you have product category and subcategories, and you see a pivot table. And you see for office supply, there are nulls, right? Basically, if I tell you the reality, for the subcategories, say binders, envelopes, labels, paper, so forth and so on, these subcategories have not been delivered by delivery truck, and because of that you see null. So actually it is nothing. So actually there is a difference between nothing and null. Now what you see in front of you now is null, means at least you know that there is category sample and the corresponding value for sales is null. Now you can turn this null to zero simply by adding zero to sales, right? For example, let us go back to categories and sales. So we know that these sales. So we go to modeling, we say new measures, and we'll just say calculate sum of sales, which is inside the order table sales in this case, and we say okay, right? And we give it a name as sales. We can say okay, sales only, sales new, and if I just try to pull in this one sales underscore new. So you see that everything is going off from there, right? So I need to add zero to it, and now you can see, right? So anything null plus zero is equal to zero. So let me remove the original sales, and we got the sales new, right? Now this works well. This is quite straightforward, but the same calculation will not work in the other case, because here at least you had null in front of category. But what if you don't have anything? You have just nothing. Now that's the other case where this very particular DAX expression will not work, as you can see. So we have the value sales null to 0 part 2, and we have this under values, and you can see this is still null. Now the reason for this is that for this office supply means there is no row in the data source where you can find say labels, and you have this ship mode category, and under that ship mode category you have delivery truck, or you don't even have null over there, right? You have nothing actually. In such cases this DAX expression will not work, or the DAX will not work. Well, in order to solve this problem, first of all you need to create a temporary table, or you can say a table which should include all the ship modes over there: delivery truck, express air, and regular air. So I can, in order to create a new table, I can just go back to home, enter data. Okay, so I've created that table ship mode with all the three different elements: delivery truck, express air, and regular air. Now I need to relate this very particular new table with my orders table, the master table. Now since the field name is same itself, ship mode is there under order table and ship mode is there with the new table itself. So automatically the relationship will be set. So if I go to my model, relationship will be one to many, understandable, because for one particular ship mode there will be multiple orders. Now I go back to my visualization. I will come there, and now in this case I will not make use of the usual ship mode coming from the orders table. I will not come from there. Instead I will come from this table, and I need to ensure that my ship mode is under columns. And here you go. That's what we were looking for. We are done. Great sigh of relief. Now let's go to the PL300 question. So we know, right? What would be the answer for the same? What are the steps to get zero instead of null? The question in front of you, the answer will be there at, and I hope you get the correct answer. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to get more informative videos like this. Till then, it's goodbye from Ritesh. Keep on dancing with data, क्योंकि डेटा ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.